All right. Well, sun's out. Beautiful day. This is Rutherford Garage. We are going to be doing a collab today with Shorty Index Garage. First thing's going to be getting the 1972 Studebaker Lark running again. And then once we get that running, we're going to move it around the house, put it in the front garage. So I guess that'd be Shorty Index Garage 2.0. And then my nephew's truck out of the garage. So then I can get this drywall up on these walls. And when we pull that out of the garage, we are going to be putting the cab onto here because we're doing a full frame off restoration kind of a build on that. That's not really my thing. I will help out with it here and there when I'm in town. And other than that, we'll see how it goes. This is going to be kind of a weird video. We're going to have mechanical, we're going to have drywalling, maybe some taping and mudding. I've been in construction since I was like 9 years old, so quite a long time now. As you can see, I'm old, gray beard. Oh yeah. Got the keys to this Lark. We got Shorty Index smoker on the quad right there. Because that was in the garage that we were in yesterday working on the dirt bike. Sorry if the camera quality sucks. My first time doing it on my phone. So yeah, we'll be with you guys in a bit. Oh, hello there. We're going to be hooking up a jerry can off the mechanical fuel pump in the Lark, which is a 62, not a 72. That was my mistake. And getting this thing fired up to pull it around to Shorty Garage 2.0. Okay, so on the 62 Studebaker Lark, we're going to take off the air filter because don't need that where we're going. Put this back on there so we don't lose it. And we're gonna slap a battery in here. Definitely not the right one for this application because this is a 6-volt system, not a 12-volt system, and that's a 12-volt battery. So, gonna figure out this one here. Goes over here, so that's positive. This one goes to ground. I like the fact that they're both the same color, because that way you can burn your vehicle down. It's anti-theft. No smoke, no smell. Use this jerry can to fill the carburetor. Right down the app. Probably way too much. That's alright. A little flooding never hurt anyone. And now I will grab this one. See, I don't want it near there because that'll get hot. I also don't want it to hurt the throttle cable. So right there, it's nicely wedged in, not on the throttle cable. Put that down in there. If I can tip this back just a bit. Fuel's hooked up. Mechanical fuel pump's down in here. So then that should siphon out of there. Hopefully we got a good spark on this machine to get it to fire up. Alright, so we are in the Lark, and there's no, put the good old floor checker through there. You can see that there is no floor there. That's alright. As you can see, we've got gas, brake, and clutch. Don't want to push the brake because like I just did, because there is no brakes. Absolutely none. We know that. It is a 3 on the tree right here. And we're going to try and get this thing to fire up and see how it goes. I personally have never started this vehicle. I have done a lot of work on this vehicle in the past because my grandparents used to own it. There we go. Clutch in. Ooh, good old starter whine. Oop. Hood open. Well, that's a good ignition. Okay, so we are in neutral. Got a bad misfire in it. I don't think that it is using the mechanical fuel pump to suck fuel. No, we ran it dry. So if I flip the hose that way, we should be good. I'll add a little bit more down inside the carb there to prime it, make it a little bit easier on the mechanical fuel pump if it is going to suck. But the jerry can on that angle, it ran dry. Again, probably way too much. Okay, I'll leave you guys here while I try to start the thing. Okay, I don't know how much time we got, so I'm just going to try to get it moving. Remember, we got 0 brakes, 0 e-brake. Car hasn't moved under its own power in quite some time. And I have never personally driven a 3 on the tree, so we'll see how this goes. Get in there. Get in there.
Oh no. Well, we had to use a little bit of Redneck ingenuity to get this thing in here using a quad. But Rutherford Garage, Shorty Index Garage, got this thing inside of the shop. Hey.
Well, she is in where she belongs. It's quite the tight fit in here. Oh, hey puppy, gosh. Sorry, buddy, you can come out in just a second. Just didn't want you to get hit by the car. Alright, fuel tank disengaged. Sparkulator maker happener is now disengaged. We will put these back on. Ooch. Ooch. Jerry can we'll just leave up here for now. Oh yeah. We'll just gently set that down. There's the dirt bike and from yesterday's video or the other day's video. And chain fell off again, so unfortunately looks like we're just gonna have to get new tensioners. I'm just gonna close the door and then I'll let you inside, okay, buddy? Alright, so now we're gonna have the task of hopefully getting the cab mount bolts off of the GMC C10. Oh, while I'm at it, I might as well show you guys. This is the Jeep from Shorty Index Garage that we went and picked up yesterday, as you heard in that video we had to do. That's what he just got himself. That's his F-150. Okay, well, we're gonna get to work on trying to get this cab mount bolts off. You'll see probably some of the same footage on his video as mine, because we're gonna do it together.
Editor Shorty Index Garage here for Rutherford Garage. It's been a while since we filmed all this. Rutherford Garage has been in Kelowna for a bit, and I already edited the video for the cab mounts over on my channel, and I've deleted the footage. So that I didn't see any of the footage he recorded until this second. Otherwise, I would have included it. That's on me. He also didn't film an outro, so let me be one for you.
Guys, this is Rutherford Garage here. I'm giving you guys an outro. We got the 62 Studebaker to start, and I'd never driven 3 on the tree before, and So when I drove it, I wasn't really too sure what I was doing, but I did it. And we couldn't get it up the driveway just because it's super underpowered, man. It hasn't been ran since it was made in 1962. It was our grandfather's car. So we got it into the garage, and we had to use a quad to get it up there. Then we let the dog out because it's in a super nice day. Why would we leave him in the cage? Once that was done, we got to work over on the cab mount for my nephew's car there, his truck, and that was a big video. Go check it out on Shorty Index Garage's channel, and make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to him. And like, comment, subscribe here. More videos coming out on Rutherford Garage on the regular. We don't just do car stuff here. We do drywall, we do automotive, we do quad stuff, we do tug of wars, we do audio competitions. We do all sorts of stuff. My brother has a cooler beard than me, so yeah.